These are all Johnny Lightning Team Lightning series cars and trucks, but it wasn't just one series because you have different series in here. You have this here with the Blow Pop and the General Mills and Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo and Dracula. You got those in there, but then you got different cars, like the, well, it's not really written there, but the Animal House car, which isn't in that one. And then we have like the Green Lantern car, which comes in this series. So let's show them right now. That is the Blow Pop truck. Nice pink box on it. Whoa, hello. Okay. Smash. One of my favorites of the bunch. The Animal House Mobile. Great movie. And I'm glad they got the license to put that car out. This is kind of a weird one. The, I don't know, it's like a Dracula car, but it's not. What more can you say about that? Very interesting livery on it. We got the Green Lantern. That was actually put out in, I think Greenlight put it out, and I think also Hot Wheels put it out. There you go, another one from that one. Crash Bandicoot. I was always a fan. The car with the leftover orange wheels from the Halloween series, I think. Then we have the Alfred Hitchcock Vertigo Mobile. Once again, all those cars are on the back from the series right there. And finally, there's the Dracula. That's the one I was looking for. The Dracula. Yeah, this one is very close to Dracula. But not quite there. Interesting. That's one thing Johnny Lightning did. They put out some very unique, interesting castings that nobody else did. And a lot of it came in the late 90s and early 2000s, and they have some good stuff now, but back then they had quite a selection of different series, and they were all pretty cool, Team Lightning being one of them.